Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video we are going to talk about ChatGPT and what exactly is ChatGPT. So first of all, ChatGPT was developed and launched by OpenAI in November. And essentially what it is a chatbot. So essentially what you can do is you can come over to ChatGPT. You can use it kind of like you would use Google search engine. So you can go ahead, you can ask it questions, and to get this, what you simply need to do is you need to head over to openai.com, click on try ChatGPT. What that will do is it will allow you to create an account, and then you will obviously be able to enter onto ChatGPT, and then you can go ahead and just ask it any question that you want. So for example, who built the ancient pyramids, for example, something like that. And then what you will do is you will get obviously a response like this. It will type out, and what this essentially is they try to say that it's essentially human-like responses. So as you can see, here is obviously the response from ChatGPT, and that's pretty much all ChatGPT is, guys. It's a really simple software and it's really easy to use. So if this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.